DJ Ray.
Hey yo, DJ Toto, I just got a message from Wokes. He said he's got this house party going on. You should bring DJ Ray. What up, DJ Ray? I just got a message from Say Something, and I think we should throw some Ray swag up over these tracks to show people what we got. Let's get this party started right now. Let's go.
Walking in the house party, rocking with the True Religion jeans with the Ed Hardy tee. White bitches drunk, can't twerk for shit, but it's okay, we just having fun in this bitch. So rockin' rotation, judging it down, no hesitation. Waiting for the dealer to come, niggas impatient. Busting out rap flows is my greatest creation, but I ain't sweating myself. Sit down, baby, chug the Bacardi, enjoy yourself. We don't give a fuck, it's a house party, let's get it, pop it.
Put your hands up, it's a house party. We don't give a fuck, it's a house party. Everybody up, it's a house party. Raise your fucking cup, it's a house party. At this house party, drinking the Bacardi, looking at this hottie, she knows she got that body. Looking at me naughty, at this house party. House party.
We taking over, we ain't stopping, we going, we having a good time. Let's turn up tonight, nobody knows. This is the hottest track of the year, 2015, let's go. Back for the verse 2, having a good day with the crew. You know what we do, staying up till a few hours past 2. Drinking Hennessy, trying to stay a little classy. Calling that chick over like Lassie. Jello shots all around. We at the hottest party in town. High up life, active lights and good vibes, that's what I strive. The party is going crazy, dance for 4 hours straight. Feeling lazy, but it's okay. Let me hit the blunt and get hazy. I can party for 7 days straight. Let's go. We taking over, we ain't stopping, we going, we having a good time. Let's turn up tonight, nobody knows. This is the hottest track of the year, 2015, let's go.
Put your hand up, it's a house.